Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Hey, love you all, and you love this beautiful and amazing ideas, amazing beautiful designs of crochet cup coaster designs, ideas, more amazing ideas. This is so amazing videos I have shared with all YouTube family. Keep so elegant designs, elegant videos I have shared with all stunning designs, all amazing ideas, and different patterns of cup coasters are available in this crochet works for more perfect designs, perfect ideas, and stay active with my channel. I have more elegant videos, and this is so amazing videos are you there, and different fantastic and fabulous designs ideas for different patterns, different cup coasters are available in this amazing for easily wash this design. Amazing perfect designs ideas. Keep watching us videos and stay connected with my channel. I have shared with different patterns, different ideas of cup coasters. So I hope कि आप लोगों को इस तरह के different colors combination cup coaster design पसंद आ रहे होंगे, और आप लोग इन डिज़ाइंस वगैरह को फॉलो करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा. Amazing ideas, amazing designs, and different patterns, different gorgeous videos. So this is amazing idea. So this is perfectly designed. I have shared with all friends, all YouTubers, and different patterns, different amazing ideas, and different amazing topics we are shared with you. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and hit the button of all notification for more elegance and more fantastic designs, fantastic ideas. Keep watching and stay connected with my channel. Just looking like amazing and gorgeous videos are you there, and more fantastic ideas. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you all